How to use Google Lens on mobile. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Google Play Store in our mobile. So simply click on Play Store. Now here you guys will simply search for Google Lens. So once we search for Google Lens, simply click on Google Lens. Now here you guys will see Google Lens APK or app. Simply click on that. Now install it. Once you install it, simply click on open. So once we open, here you guys will see open camera and screenshot like it was your gallery. So if you want to search anything live, simply click on open camera and you can scan the things that you want to search. And if you have any type of pic, for example, I want to search like that pic on Google Lens, so simply I will click on that. Now here you guys can see Google Lens was checking for me, and here we go, Google Lens find a pics related to that pic for me. So that's how you guys can use Google Lens on mobile. Thanks for watching.